Okay, that weird doors glitchy noise is happening. I keep hearing it from tables now. I've heard it like 3 times already. It's weird, like here. Yeah, it's so weird. It reminds me, why does it kind of remind me? Like, it sounds like a campfire. But it could be that. But I don't know, maybe the table's linked with some sort of sound somehow. And it just makes this noise, but it sounds like a campfire just glitched. I don't understand. Hold on. It's also seed 666, which is actually crazy. Let's go to door 13. I think I heard something about that. Okay, what the... Yeah, there's another campfire. Out of bounds campfire. This is what I was talking about. Out of bounds campfire. Yeah, I don't know why these happen. If anyone has an explanation why campfires spawn anywhere, it's probably just a bug with the generation for this game, but who knows. But the sound, I don't know what the glitchy noise is. So see you later. I just wanted to say that. I found it again, so yeah. Mr. Kitty out.